Hey guys, super busy but a quick update. If you have seen in the title, you could know that the Gouldian Finches became parents, but that later in the video. First, let's see how the rest is doing. The star finches finally chose a nest. Providing them with a second nest was a success. They filled it in no time. They are still not really master builders, but there is a nest. However, maybe the male is not really happy with its place. Because he's also removing some nesting materials, as you could see. But with a closer look, we can see that they have their first egg. Hopefully they will lay some more the next couple of days. Also, the owl finches are very busy. Their nest is almost completely full with nesting materials, but no eggs yet. Next, the Gouldian Finches. As you could see in the previous video, we had 3 eggs. After we candled them, we could see that we have 2 fertile eggs and 1 infertile egg. Not much later, 2 little golden chicks hatched. But we couldn't enjoy them very long. The next day the chicks were gone. I found them at the other end of the breeding cage. One of them was already dead, unfortunately. The other I put back in the nest. But 15 minutes later, it was out of the nest again. I tried to hand feed the little fellow, but after 2 or 3 hours it died. On the security camera I could see that the male did it. So the new male isn't very nice to the chicks. This can have multiple causes. It is his first nest and he needs to learn. Too much protein, causing it to be aggressive and more focused on mating than parroting, or just a bad father. Gouldian finches are known to be bad parents, so maybe I was just lucky in the last couple of years. Hopefully the already more than 7-year-old female can teach him some stuff. But it's good to know for next time to keep a close eye on them. Talking about next time, after I removed the nest for a couple of days, they went straight back to working on the nest when I put it back. And the first egg is already laid. As a backup plan, I now have a couple of society finches. They are known to breed and care for a lot of other species than themselves. Therefore they can be used as great foster parents. So they also got a nest box, so I can maybe switch some Gouldian finches eggs with their eggs. But we will see. That's it for this time. See you next time and remember, stay happy and always love your birds. Bye bye!